All right, look what I found. Totino's ramen noodle. This one is cheese pizza. And we have buffalo style chicken pizza. And Old El Paso got in the game also for ramen noodles. Fajita ramen noodles. So let's go with the start with cheese pizza. All right, wow, that's cooking buffalo style chicken pizza. And Old El Paso fajita. They all look the same. All right, cheese pizza. It's got a thick broth to it. It reminds me of Totino pizza rolls. The sauce in this. Yes, Totino's pizza roll sauce in a ramen noodle is delicious. Yes. All right, let's try the Old El Paso fajita. Can't really see it, but Old El Paso fajita is kind of spicy. There's a hint of fajita, and then it's spicy. It doesn't stand out. It's not really distinguished flavor, but there is a hint of the like a fajita seasoning. Not bad. Buffalo style chicken pizza. It reminds me of that FaZe Clan Buffalo style chicken pizza rolls that Totino's did. Real similar. It's good. Got these at Walmart, and I really enjoyed them. I would say, since I have this in my hand, give this one a 7. Ramen noodle fajita. I'm gonna give this one. I'm gonna give this one a 7 also. Totino's cheese pizza. Giving this one an 8. This thing is really good. I would like to have more of these for snacks, and I will probably buy more because they are delicious. All right. Thanks for watching.